We're going to need the winter gear tomorrow. It's going to be messy. We're looking at a round of ice pellets and then some freezing rain and a slick morning commute. Right now, that system is pushing through Chicago. We'll see the cloud cover building in overnight tonight, and we're going to see that freezing rain threat being a bit heavier through southwestern Ontario, but impacting travel here across the GTA with the winter travel advisories. Not prolonged enough freezing rain consecutively to see it issued as a warning. Take a look at the Futurecast model, hinting at that first wave that comes through at about 8 o'clock in the morning to be packing some snow as well as some ice pellets. And then we'll get that freezing rain starting to settle in once we hit midday, on and off throughout the afternoon into the evening commute. And then another push of that ice potentially as we go into the morning on Thursday. And that could actually be our greatest risk of freezing rain. At least the highest impact that we would see out of the system would be Thursday morning. And then by Thursday afternoon, rain showers expected to take over. In terms of how much ice we could see, looks like we'll likely pick up about 3 to 6 millimeters here across the GTA, higher amounts in higher pockets through southwestern Ontario. But the timeline's like this. The wet snow and ice pellets through the morning, mid-morning into the afternoon, and into Thursday morning, we're dealing with the freezing rain and then rain taking over. There's going to be some gusty winds that come along with it. In terms of the type of winter precipitation we're going to see, if the air is warm enough and deep enough from the surface up to the middle parts of the atmosphere, snowflakes melt, turn into rain, and then they hit the ground. Well, what we're going to do is have a warm layer of air cut in between two cold layers of air. So right at the surface, that rain falls and then freezes on contact. But before that happens, we're still going to have a deeper layer of cold air. We're going to sneak in just a little wedge of warm air. So we're going to take those snowflakes, we're going to melt them, then they're going to refreeze and turn into ice pellets, and that's what we're expecting through the morning commute, and even a little bit of snow where it falls completely through a column of cold air. We're looking at impacts with this system being dangerous travel and travel delays likely. Power outages are possible. Property damage, not a huge issue, but your morning commute is going to be a headache tomorrow and likely tomorrow night, and then likely Thursday morning. We'll see daytime highs near -1, but we'll warm up on Thursday into the afternoon up to about 3 degrees. Friday, it is cloudy, it is windy, it'll be colder over the weekend, but staying dry here at this point. Temperatures down to about -2 on Monday. We'll keep an eye on the potential for some snow once Tuesday of next week rolls around. So give yourself a lot of extra time during the day tomorrow. Drive to the conditions. If you can avoid the commute and work from home, fantastic. You don't have to deal with it, but it could be potentially slippery. So we'll be keeping an eye on it.